Let us open a new file. This is, I'm going to write a program for sorting. Assume that we have a list of elements. This is the best case for sorting algorithm. And this is worst case sorting algorithm. In either of the cases, the bubble sort takes same number of steps. It doesn't know whether a given list is already sorted or not. So, program should know whether the given list is already sorted or not. If it is already sorted, then a sorted list should not be sorted further. It can be done by making few changes in bubble sort. Assume that except the last two elements, all the elements are already sorted. So the program should not take more than a step to sort these numbers. For a regular bubble sort, will take, if there are 9 elements, it takes 8 steps to sort it. Now our program will take only 1 step. So let n equal to number of elements in the list. At step is equal to 0, which stores number of steps. At start is equal to 0, with n is equal to n minus 1. Let us have a Boolean variable by name sorted, whose value is false in the beginning. Sorted is a keyword. Let us have sorted. Now, while array is not sorted, create one more variable for swapped. Initially, it is false. For element I, index I in range, from start to end, if ith element is more than I plus 1th element, then push ith element to right, swapping ith element with I plus 1th element. So ith element is now pushed to right by swapping with it. Once you swapped, set status of swap to true. The elements are not swapped. Swap remains false. So when the elements are not swapped, there's no need for swapping. When there's no need for swapping, what does it mean? It's already sorted. So if not swap, change the status of sorted to true. If swapped, then there is scope for further sorting. Go to next step. Okay. Now, increase the steps by 1. Print number of steps taken. print the number of steps taken as well as print the sorted array as well. Let us run it. Let us save this as example one in codes folder. So there is some spelling mistake. Is that? So this is length. Run it. Number of steps out. So I took 2 steps. The regular algorithm are taken n steps, sorry, n minus 1 steps. So let's close it.